Hi, Mia. This is Maggie playing with her favorite toy. She's trying to get her treats out. Here, Maggie. Let's get over here. Over here. There you go. Where are they? Where's all your treats? Where's your treats, Maggie? Did you eat them all? Did you get them all? I think they're all gone, Maggie. Oh, now I hear them rattling. There's some more. Here's her t-shirt, what she's wearing today. I love trouble. You got them now? All gone. Maggie, all gone. Maggie. 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 They're all gone now. No more. Say bye, Mia. See you later. Have a good day, Mia. Okay.